In today's video, I'll teach you how to get Roku coupon codes. If you apply the coupon codes in Roku, you'll be able to get certain amount of discount. So in order to find the coupon codes, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now what you have to do is visit the websites or platform that provides you the coupon codes for various stores. So for that, click on the search bar and type in couponfollow.com, press enter. After you do that, you'll be led to the official website of CouponFollow. You'll be able to search for these stores. Click on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now what you have to do is simply type in Roku. You'll be able to see the results over here. Click on this option, roku.com. Now after you do that, you'll be led to another interface. In this interface, you'll be able to find various coupon codes. You'll be able to find the options like 15% off, 5% off, 50% off, 4% off, etc. What you have to do is simply find the offer that you like the best. After you do that, click on this option, show coupon code, that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be able to see the coupon code over here. You'll be able to directly redeem it at Roku. For that, click on this option, redeem at Roku. You can also copy it if you want. Simply click on this option, copy. After you do that, you'll be able to use this coupon code in Roku and you'll be able to get the discount. So like this, you'll be able to get the coupon codes. So that is how you get Roku coupon codes. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.